God, this room's ugly. I hate that light. We gotta redo this bedroom. There's some things I really hate about the bedroom.
Like what?
Those nightstands have been with me since before you. The bed.
I think the bed is not high enough for you.
So I'd like to bring the bed down a little bit, but I also would like something a little more grown up. I have some swatches from Claire, and I was narrowing it down to these two. This feels very warm.
It's like a warm cup of coffee.
Yeah. And then the mirror that's in there, it's broken at the bottom.
I was thinking I could build a frame around it that would come in a little bit and hide that chip, and it'll actually make the whole thing bigger and more presentable.
I would also like you to paint a mural. I'm thinking jungle. The new bedroom is going to be our refuge, so it's going to be a sanctuary. I also want it to reflect our adventurous spirit. This room is going to be an explorer's refuge.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers
To our new room.
to our new room. Look at this place.
And it only took a day.
So what is your favorite part?
I love how much texture there is compared to what was there before. It just, looking back, everything just seems so flat. And this is there's so much plant life, and the mural, it just feels much more lush.
Yeah. So I brought us some rosé glasses because I am celebrating the pink that came into this room that I did not expect. And when I found these curtains, I was like, I think these are the ones. It started with the wall color, right?
Yeah, Dirty Chai.
Dirty Chai.
That's its name.
Yep. And
Funny.
Claire came through with this amazing color, and it really kickstarted the whole vibe, and then it set the tone for the mural.
Well, I started the mural with the base color of the paint, the Dirty Chai, and I used that as sort of like a mid-tone. There's going to be a few things darker than that, which are going to be in the foreground.
Yeah.
And there's going to be some few things that are lighter than that, which are in the background. And so I just made that the palette. I just mixed that color with some other colors, some lighter colors and some darker colors, and just, you know, went to town with the jungle.
Well, the fact that we are sitting right here in this room is a miracle to me, because this corner was so hideous.
It was like a bus station. There was a suitcase next to an old greasy chair, and it looked like someone was about to catch the next bus to Phoenix. Never have I ever heard you say the word sleigh bed.
Yeah, I bought it from a friend who just got rid of it, was selling it for $100. So I couldn't pass it up. I think it kind of added the soft luxury to the space.
Yeah.
It sits low like a platform. So that gave me the thing that I really wanted, was to be lower to the ground.
Yeah. Well, I think this is our explorer's refuge.
It is.
And we'll go out and explore the world and bring everything back here. And,
hopefully.
Yeah. Eventually.
Otherwise, this is a staycation forever.
Yeah, well, that's a good place to stay.
Yeah, and our lobby always has free drinks.
Yes, it
Right?
always has nice cocktails and rosé wine.
Right.